Hey, I'm getting it all polished up. The Yamaha Snowmobile celebration is going to be coming up here on October 12th, on Saturday, here at Donahue Supersports. And it's a celebration of the 58 years of Yamaha being a leader in the snowmobile industry. 2025 is the last year. We've taken the initiative to invite every one of our customers and everybody that owns a Yamaha snowmobile to come on out. We're going to have over 70 collector quality Yamaha snowmobiles on display, and we expect to have well over 200 of our customers bringing their Yamaha snowmobiles of all years, all models, all ages, all conditions. Like this is a 1968, the very first Yamaha snowmobile they ever built. You know, in addition to all these cool machines, we're going to have food, beer, music, and one of the highlights of the event, we're going to have 3 world champions here. That's right, 3 Yamaha Eagle River world champions will be at this event. Probably the only time you'll ever hear of that again. And that includes Mike Trapp, the 1971 and 72 world champion, Tim Bender, the 1989 through 1994 or 5, he won it like 5 years in a row, and then myself, I've won it in 1985. So we're going to have a heck of a time. I hope you come out. I hope you bring all your friends. So I thought Dad would be proud if I'd put a little polish on it for him.